So as students of the Quran, we should know that whenever we are able to do any work for deen, we have to be prepared to face enemies, because problems will come up. When we do anything for Islam, that's how we're tested. Just because someone opposes us doesn't mean we stop the work that we're doing and run off. When we think about the respected scholars, they are so knowledgeable, right? But there are so many examples of how people try to make them look bad, and they spread false news about them to make others disrespect them. Other times they pick out a point from a lecture and quote it without fully quoting what the scholar had said, to try to discourage others from learning anything from that person. Instead of learning what they should from that lecture, they pick out things from it to twist in a negative way to lead others astray. And don't be sad or hurt by their words, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told us in the Quran that this will definitely happen. It won't be easy, but never stop what you're doing in the way of Allah because of the behavior of others. And we must remember that we're being tested by Allah when that happens.